So today I'm going to share to you guys steps by step how to request your CENOMAR or birth certificate. Is the same. Hello everyone, welcome back to Jonalyn and the American Guy channel. It's been a while. Yes, I miss you all. I've been away for 3 weeks. Yeah, and I had good news today because we get approved. Finally, for after 7 months, we get approved for our K1 visa. And I'm just very busy and I'm trying to get a break from having a YouTube in a YouTube too much because I'm doing some editing and printing all the things, put them together for my requirements, and then I applied for my birth certificate, NVI, and this kind of thing. So today I'm going to share to you how to request your birth certificate and CENOMAR or death certificate or marriage contract or whatever using the Philippine Statistics Service. And it used to be a National Statistics Office, but now it's changed to PSA. So I'm going to share it to you guys. Actually, I request mine and it takes 3 months before I get it. They deliver it into my doorstep. So wherever you are in the world, they will deliver it to you. Just put your address where you are, and of course you have to pay for a charge. And if you want to make it faster, you can actually apply for or make an account in a FedEx and they will send it to you. But for my case, because we just get approved and we also not really in a hurry, so we're using just a regular mail, so it takes us 3 months. Actually, when I noticed that it's actually 3 months, I emailed to them and I say this is my invoice number, this is my receipt number, and my application. It's been 3 months and until now I didn't get received anything, and they did not reply my message. But after and the next morning, and there's some FedEx knocking my door and says delivery for me. And yeah, so today I'm going to share to you guys steps by step how to request your CENOMAR or birth certificate. It's the same website, the same process. Just if you're requesting for birth certificate, just click the birth certificate, and if you're requesting CENOMAR, just request your CENOMAR. And mine, Jerry pay it using his credit card because I don't have a credit card. And if you can pay the also in a credited bank if you have time, but I don't have a time, and I can do it on Sunday. But he just don't want me to queue there for a long time, so he's paid it with his credit card. So this is the one of the things that you can do while you're waiting for your approval or you're waiting for interview. You know, you can do something like this so that when you have your interview appointment, you only need to do little bit, you know, I mean, do it little by the time so that you won't be have to do so much when you got your interview. For me, I just doing it little bit, and so that when I had my interview, I just only have very less things to do and also less stress for me because I don't like stress. So by the way guys, and just keep on watching, and if you want to have some clarification, if you don't understand, just drop your comments below and I will get back to you. And please don't forget to subscribe if you are new to our channel, and hit that like button and the bell so that you will be updated for our next video. Hopefully I will upload more on the K1 visa. So see you guys. Go to Google Chrome if you are using it, or Safari, and then go to the search bar and write https www. And then you will bring it to the website, and just click here, just click OK, and then here they will bring you to the home page, where is you have to read step 1, where is application form, and step 2, pay through accredited payment channel, which is accredited banks or even a credit card. And step 3, when you already done your payments, they will give you a schedule of delivery, and the right below here on the left there's some question if you want to ask, and then if you already have paid, and then you can go to this area here on the side, and then you just put your number and it will send you to the home page and say what's going on to your request. So step 1 is the form, so we're going to click here to do our application request, and then here they will give you a local request, the payments, which is 330 per copy of insurance of birth certificate, death or marriage, and 430 per copy of certificate of marriage of no record, which is CENOMAR, and an additional 30 pesos serves as a documentary stamp. And then if you are overseas and any part of overseas, you will pay a 20.30 per copy of insurance and 25.30 per copy of CENOMAR. And then if you are understand what they are written in terms and condition, you just click here accept. And then here the next page they will give you a request name, and you have to fill up your address and everything and such. So here you can write your last name, for example. Okay. And then country Philippines, and if you want to deliver the document to this embassy, you can just right click here. But if not, then because mine is delivered to the Philippines, to the Hong Kong, because I'm stay at Hong Kong at the moment, so we put here Hong Kong, and then you put your address here. Then you just put your phone number and okay, and your email address you can just write here, and then you can, if you have a tax identification number, you can write in there, and if you finish spelling it up, you can just click next, and then they will write you here all your information that you have just have written, and then if you read everything is correct, you can press here confirm, and in this page they will give you where can you apply for a fast delivery, which is FedEx, to go LBC, all purpose. So if you accept that, you just write it confirm, and if you have problem you can change it or delete it in your right corner, and then here you just write birth certificate. For example, was there any correction and amendments? For example, you just write no, and then were you able previously get a copy of a birth certificate from a PSA, you just write no, and you just press next. And here the number of copies you want, 1, 2 or 3, or other, if you want 5, then you can just write 5 here. And then here you have to apply, you have to fill up the name of your parents, your personal information. For example, here my maiden name of married family, female. So here is your name. Okay, and sex, you write female, and birth certificate, province of Abra, and okay, and then date of birth, and the father's name, your father's name, the last name, and your mother's maiden name, and registered late, you just write no, and registration date, and then the purpose is to travel. For example, if you want to travel, benefits loan, employment abroad, employment locals or others, so you just write passport and travel, and which country you just write here USA if you're using it to USA, and then the relation to the birth certificate owner, you just put it yourself because that is yours, so just put self. And then if you finish check if you are fill up everything correct, you just press save, and then here they will give you all the information that you write, and check it carefully. And if you change your mind, and for example you're going to add 2 pieces of your order, you just click change, otherwise just click confirm. And then here they will give you all the details of your request, and again check it, and if you're okay what you write, just click submit. So this is, remember to keep all these number, very important, your batch request, because that is the number that you're going to use later to check your request, whether they are founded or they already on delivery, or you just want to check the status generally of your request. So you have to keep that number, and then if you are finished, you just go back to home, and in this area here, payments and delivery, read number 2, you can pay in credit card, BDO remit, and kabayan, bills bayad, foreign correspondent banks, pay online via credit card now. So if you are applying for fiancé visa, you can give your batch number to your fiancé and they can pay it on the credit card, and once you pay it, they will send it to your email address, the receipt confirming that they accept the payments. And then if you've done your payments, you can just go back to the website, inputting your batch number to check what is the status of your request. So now we're going back to the home, and here on the check the status of your requirements, just now you have your batch number, and then we're going to check, just press go, and they say here, because we haven't made any payments, so if the request has been paid, it is currently being processed. So again, if you paid your request, they will send to you, they say that your request is found and it's on the process of delivery. So then you just go back to home, and if you made a payment, so just wait for your delivery.